Alert and severe weather threat. We're really just asking everyone, if they can, to not be on the roadways in the Nashville area during that heavy afternoon commute.
Yeah, if you're able to move your ride home a little today, that would be great. Now, this morning, we won't rule out a strong storm here or there, but as Rebecca said, the greater window is going to come this afternoon between 1 and 9 o'clock.
And of course, that's pending your location. So areas closer to that 1 o'clock time frame, we're talking off to our far west. 9 o'clock areas across the plateau before everything will wrap up. But of course, with everybody already preparing, we do have some schools that have canceled, such as Humphrey and Lawrence counties, and then Perry, you will be let out at 1 p.m. So this morning, obviously, we've got showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be on the stronger side, and gusty winds. That's basically going to blanket the entire day from start to finish. That threat for a spin-up tornado does start to amplify just a bit as we go throughout that time frame of 1 to 9 o'clock, particularly on the earlier end of things. As the system will exit, we will have a wind shift, and temperatures tomorrow, highs only in the 40s. So to deal with such extremes, you know it's got to be something pretty strong. When it comes to our severe risk, we are dealing with 3 out of 5 highlighted for you in the orange. That encompasses a bulk of Middle Tennessee. The rest of us, a 2 out of 5. Please don't get too caught up in your number or even color. The atmosphere is very fluid and knows no boundaries. Temperatures right now 62 degrees. The average high for this time of year is 54, and we're starting out at 62. Look at that wind already gusting 31 miles per hour. It is bringing a punch. We have already received some showers as well as thunderstorms over in parts of Dixon. You'll notice getting close to 2/10 of an inch so far. These are bringing some really soaking and saturating cells as they make their way. Wind is going to be the higher priority because it's going to be with us all day long. That's why we do have a wind advisory that is all across Middle Tennessee and southern Kentucky. Here's a look at your current winds that are gusting teens, 20s, and 30s. As you know, with wind gusts, that is not the sustained wind. The sustained wind is like your cruise control. And then these gusts come in abruptly, and they can cause quite a bit of shift in the way of as you're driving out on those roadways. We're going to keep a close eye on that. Obviously, Leland, the Power 5 radar is picking up on some showers and storms. Some of these potentially strong, but the strongest threat is this afternoon.
Yeah, you were showing the Dixon camera there a moment ago. There's some of the rain there. Nothing yet on the west side, at least toward Belmead. 64, we don't see anything in the rain gauge there. Maybe just a couple of drops starting to actually, I think, begin here just in the last minute, but nothing to move the rain gauge just yet. There's a look at the breakdown for today. Scattered showers and a few thunderstorms this morning. Into the afternoon, area showers and thunderstorms across the region. It will stay windy all day. Even outside of thunderstorms, those gusts could get over 40 to 45 miles per hour. Ahead of the rain and ahead of that cold front, temps in the 70s today, nearly 20 degrees above the average high. So there is the timeline for our western counties. And again, this is with the main storm threat. 1 to 3 o'clock into the metro area, you're looking at 3 to 6. So some of that coming during the afternoon commute, and then into the eastern counties there you can see from 6 to 9 o'clock as you head to Cookeville, McMinnville, and then back over to Fayetteville. Again, that's the timing of the main line. You could have showers and storms ahead of that, as we see here on Exact Track for us this morning. This is Exact Track at midday. Scattered showers now as we go into the afternoon. This is 1 o'clock near the Land Between the Lakes area. By 2 o'clock from Clarksville back over toward the Jackson area. By 3, pushing closer to Nashville, Hickman County, Perry County. There we go at 4 o'clock across the metro area. Again, this could be adjusted just a bit as the storms start to develop. By 5 o'clock now east of I-65. By 6 o'clock, Cookeville, McMinnville back over to Crossville. And then as you see by 7 o'clock, starting to move across the plateau. Behind it, colder air moving in. So for today, 73 with a Storm 5 alert, 29 tonight, 42 tomorrow, and then Nikki-Dee heading into the weekend, getting better for Saturday and Sunday.
It's going to be a little easier on us, isn't it? We'll see some sunshine in place. Temperatures on Sunday morning starting out in the upper 20s, low 30s, and we're doubling that number by the afternoon. 63, abundant sunshine. President's Day, clouds increase. We'll see some slight rain chances Monday night, and we're dealing with more of an active rain pattern going into next week. But look at the temperatures. Low 70s Tuesday, Wednesday's highs in the mid to upper 50s. And here's today's weather art. This is a tornado thanks to Gabe, and you'll notice he's got someone flying around with a house, and it's got Sky 5 out there. Remember, these illustrations are done a lot of times and are in movies. We want you to know that we're not looking at something like this because you know exactly what to do in the event of a tornado warning.
Exactly. All right, so we'll keep you up to date, but right now, 6:20. Let's head back over to the news desk.
Guys,